Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add keyframes on CapCut PC. So let's get started. So here we are in CapCut, and this is our material that we're going to be working with right here. So with this one, right here, so you can find the keyframes when you click on your video, and you can find the keyframes right here at the right side of the screen. Right here you can see this diamond icons. This is called keyframes, so you can find it in various options. Right here you can find it basically here in basic, and you can also find it maybe in adjustment right here, yeah, in adjustment. And AI stylize, no, just the adjustment and the video right here. So what can keyframe do? So it's basically like this right here. So let me show you an example so that you can understand it. So we will be positioning the zoom right here. So at the first one, as you can see, my playhead is at the beginning of the clip. So I'm gonna go press the keyframe, add keyframe right here, and I'm gonna add in the middle. I'm gonna go the I'm gonna drag the playhead in the middle. Right here, I'm gonna keyframe again. Right here, add a keyframe again. And then from here, I'm gonna go and increase the position right here to about right here. Or you can also position the scale so that it would zoom in right here. So when you go here, right here. So at this point of time right here in this clip, so it would mean that the scale of your clip was 193% and the position would be this one. And while at the beginning position of the clip would be 00, and the scale would be the same because we haven't added a keyframe, but in this case we'll be adding one. So add a keyframe and then set this into 100, just like the position one back to its default. So yeah, it's basically like that. So when you play this, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna go gradually. As you can see, it's gonna go gradually to the next keyframe value right here. So that is basically the purpose of keyframe, and that is how you can control the keyframes right here in CapCut PC. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.